Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you haven't already, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, we're doing another hair video, and the hair that you just seen was the Cuban Twist brand hair. I love this hair because it's automatically fluffed out, and if you want to stretch, all you have to do is pull it apart, and it pulls apart really easily. So I'm just showing you guys how I typically put in these chunky twists. I used to do them on my head a long time ago, not long, probably like a few years ago. I still love these twists. I may bring them back, but for right now I'm doing it on my daughter's hair. And what I also love about this hair is that you don't have to stretch or blow dry or manipulate the hair in any type of way in order to get a really good look. Since the hair is already natural looking, then it will just blend in right with the hair. So what I did right here is I just split the hair in half, the section in half, and I'm twisting to the right. Now what I'm going to do is take the right side and then just pull it over and pull the left side under, and then twist that to the left. I know it sounds confusing, but it makes sense when you look at it as I'm twisting. So I'm rope twisting, or Senegalese twisting, or twisting all the way down. And I'm going to do a few more of these so you guys can see how I do it. It's not hard once you get the hang of it, and it takes way less time, and it looks way more natural when you twist it in naturally. So I'm just showing you guys how, secure it is in her hair. The color I got was the color 30, which is like a light brownish color. It blends really well with her hair because her hair is a number 4, so it just looks like the hair is a 430. Her hair is long, so it goes all the way down almost to the end of the fake hair. So I'm just moisturizing her hair, and then I'm going to do the same method. I'm going to separate or open her section, and then I'm going to add the hair, put it in the center of it. I literally just take one strand of hair and I'm going to start twisting. So once again, I'm placing it in the center of the section of her braid, and I'm just twisting to the right. I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to put it over and bring the left side under, and then I'm going to twist that to the right as well, and it's automatically creating a twist. I'm continuously twisting her hair, rope twisting her hair all the way down. As you can see, it's very secure in her hair. It looks very natural. The ends we're going to deal with later. So I'm going to show you guys this again, and then the rest of the video is going to speed up a little bit more. So you'll still see what I'm doing. You just probably won't see it as clear as what I'm showing in the beginning of the video. But pretty much I put the moisturizer on her hair. And this Cuban Twist hair can be a little bit hard and stiff, so once you do use any type of moisturizer that you plan on using, or butters or creams, then it'll make it more manageable. But like I said, I just twisted it to the right. I took the right side and I brung it over and the left side under, and then I started to twist that to the left, or to the right, sorry, too, and then just rope twist all the way down. As you can see, these twists are securely in. They're not super tight or uncomfortable. The ends are raggedy, but I'm going to dip those later. I'll show you guys the end result of that. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video super fast, and you will see how I put this in. like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I'm back. So what I used was the cold wave rods. I wanted to let you guys know this. And I had about 4 packs, and I believe 12 come in 1 pack. So I believe I only used like maybe 2.5 packs, almost 3. So what I did right here is I took 2 to 3 twists, and I just rolled the ends of them. I know I said I was done, but what had happened was when I was watching this, I realized I still need to explain a little bit of what's going on. So I boiled some water and I dipped all of her hair in it, and I literally counted for like 45 seconds. And then any parts that I missed, like I would feel if they were dry, and then I would just re-dip those. And then, yeah, once I did that, I just dried it off with a towel, and then I started to unravel them, as you will see in the next clip. Now this created a really nice curl, like a corkscrew type of curl. Shout out to those who used to do the cold wave rods to get your curls. You know, we ain't got the crochet already made type of twist or goddess locks or whatever that has the already made curls, but shout out to originality, okay? Now right here I'm just going to unclump the curls and then also just clip off the scraggly ends. And now that is it. I have nothing else. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!